Model 2018 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TDCi Limited Spares OR Repairs Body, white, panel van mileage, 108640 MOT, the 22nd of February 2024 engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130 PSA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, timing belt has shredded its teeth, still turns over, may re-belt up nice easy job on these 2.0 TDCi engines. Grin condition summary, bodywork is clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, parking sensors, cruise control, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £11,350. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999